Hello, I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me share my screen. All right, let's first see the truncate command which we were discussing on that day. After that, after finishing the truncate command, let's see the installation process of MySQL today. Okay. Before that, did anyone of you logged in using your laptop or desktop? Anyone?
Yes.
Great. Because as I already have the software in my system, I will ask you to share your screen and I will show the process in your system, okay? So that everyone else can follow the same process. Even you will get the recording also, if not today also. By watching this video, you can install tomorrow as well. If you have any doubts, you can ask me later in tomorrow's class. First, SQL commands. So as you know, we were discussing about SQL commands. We have 5 different types of SQL. I mean, our SQL commands or SQLs, we can also call them as subgroups. They are divided into 5 types: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, and DQL. We discussed about this on the previous day. And in detail, DDL will have 5 commands: create, drop, alter, truncate, and rename, right? On the previous day, we have saw about create command, drop command, and alter command, right? Now we are about to see the truncate command. So as a first, let me just activate my database. I'm just executing this use DurgaSoft. My database got activated. And as I said, truncate, what it will do, it is used to delete complete data from the table, right? But the structure remains same. As I said on that day, whenever we come across some situations like we want the, after creating any table, after some time, we may if we may feel like we want the same structure of the table. That means if we want the same column names, but if we won't want the same data, we don't want the present data, we want to remove the complete data, and we want to, if we want to insert a new data into the same table, we will use this truncate command. By using truncate, the data inside the table will be removed, but the table structure, that means the column names. And whenever we are creating tables, what we will do, we will define the column names, we will define the data types. If needed, we will define primary keys and foreign keys, right? All those things will be there as it is. Only the data inside it will be removed. Okay. So in such scenarios, we will use the truncate command. So we saw yesterday, like I executed this statement, we saw how the complete data got removed and the structure remains same, right? And now, whenever we are using truncate, there is one rule. If we are using truncate for the normal table, that is fine. But suppose if we are using truncate for the tables which we declared foreign key, we know what is foreign key, right? To create the relationship between the two tables, we will use foreign key. For example, we created foreign key for these two tables. Let's see the data between them. I'm executing this select star from students. Oh, we already. 1 second. That day I already used that, I guess. So let me just insert the data first. All right. So now let's see once again. As I said yesterday, if we want to execute both the statements together, we need to use a semicolon after the first SQL statement, right? Whenever SQL sees the semicolon, it will understand that that will be the end of the statement, right? So I'm executing these two statements now. You can see here, students data is this one, course details table is this one. And we know we created a foreign key between those two tables, right? So what the concept is here, whenever if we create a foreign key between two tables, first we need to remove the, or if first we need to use the truncate key for the here students table. That means whatever, let me just show you one Excel file. It is the Excel file. I will show you the primary key Excel file and then I will explain. See, the concept here is very simple. On that day, what we did, we created a students table and course details table, and we created a foreign key between these two tables, right? That means we created a foreign key for this course ID, and we took the reference from this CID, right? So what we need to do, if we delete this table, if we use the truncate for this table directly, it won't work. It throws an error stating that because what it will do, whenever we are defining the students table, we took the reference of CID from the course details table, right? That's the reason. First, we need to use the truncate for this table, then only we need to use the truncate for this table. Simply to remember easily what we need to understand, on which table we declared foreign key, that table we need to use the truncate first, and the other table we need to use the truncate second. Okay, here we used foreign key on students table, right? So we need to use the truncate on students table first. If you use truncate first on course detail table, it will throw us an error. Let's see that. Here we have data in the two tables, right? Now what I will use truncate table. I will use truncate for course details. Definitely it will throw us an error because, see, I got error. It is stating cannot truncate a table referenced in a foreign key constraint. Because what we used, this is our code, right? Whenever we are creating the students table, what we used foreign key references course details table course ID, because as we use course details here, whenever we are creating students table, we cannot use truncate directly on this course details table. It is telling that this course details table is used somewhere else. First go and remove that, then only please remove this one. Okay, that's the reason we cannot use truncate table on this truncate command on this table directly. First, we need to use on students table, then only course details table. Clear? If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Madam,
Yes.
just now I joined to the link, madam. Can you explain why we need to that truncate tables? I mean,
Sure. Did you attend it on Friday's class, Munish?
no, madam, no, madam.
Okay. Let me just repeat the truncate once again. Please
Yeah.
watch that Friday's video so that you can understand very clearly. Okay.
And
Basically, this. Mhm.
and Friday you told me that I will guide you how to install that MySQL in the.
MySQL, yes. After once we're done with this truncate command, we will see how to install MySQL. Okay.
Okay, madam.
So did you attend it for Friday's class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, great. So we are discussing about all the commands. In that, we are discussing about truncate command, right? Truncate, what it will do? Truncate, what it will do? Basically, whenever we use truncate command, it will delete the complete data inside the table, but the structure will remain same. Okay, that means, one second, I will show you in any other table. To show you, I'm just activating Divya database. To activate, we know we will use command. Guys, whoever you already understood about the trunket, please listen once again, no problem. We have a, let's see whether it will use. We have one table, something like as TXS, maybe transaction table is this. I have some data inside it, right? Transaction ID, product ID, and amount. Okay. So if I use trunket for this table, truncate table, and the table name will be the syntax. I'm now executing this. It got executed. Now, once again, let me display the data.
Okay.
Here, the entire data which we saw previously, it got deleted. We have only the structure.
Okay.
Right? That means the structure in the sense we have the column names as it is, but the data inside it got deleted.
Okay.
Right? That is the use of the truncate. As I said here, use it to delete complete data from the table, but the structure remains same. Structure in the sense the column names.
Okay.
Whenever in real time, whenever we are working, if we get the situation like we want to change the complete data inside the table, but we want the same table as it is. At that
Okay.
time, we use truncate so that the data will be deleted, but the table will be remain as it is.
Okay. Thank you.
Instead of using a truncate, if we can also use drop command. Drop in the sense it will delete the complete table from the database, right? Once we do that, after if we use drop here, and if suppose if we need the same table as it is, but if we want to delete the data, if we use a drop table, the structure will also get removed. Again, we need to use create syntax to create the table, and we need to use the insert syntax, right?
Okay, ma'am. Correct. Correct.
So
Yeah.
to just avoid using the create statement again and again, we will directly use truncate so that only the data will be deleted. Simply we can use insert statement to insert the new data, right?
Okay. Correct, ma'am.
And if it is a normal table, that will be simple. But suppose if there is a foreign key relation between two tables, what we need to do, on which table we used or we created a foreign key, that table only first we need to delete.
Okay.
Here,
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
Excel
ma'am.
file, we used foreign key, we created foreign key in students table, right? So we need to use the truncate on students first, then only course details. If we use
Okay.
directly truncate on the course detail, it will throw us an error as we saw previously.
Okay.
Because we have a relation between, we have a relation with course details to the students table, right?
Got it, ma'am. Got it.
Like
Yeah.
that. If I just executed this one, course details, it is throwing me error. First, what we need to do, we need to use the truncate for students first. Truncate table students. First, I need to use this, then it will work. 1 second. Sorry, I need to change the, I need to activate Durga soft database, right? Inside Durga soft database, what we need to do?
Thank you.
If we use truncate on course details, it will throw us an error stating foreign key constraint error. But
Yes.
if we use truncate on students table, it will work,
Yeah.
right? It got affected. Now
Since,
I can use truncate for course details. It won't throw error.
okay.
1 second.
Since we have a relationship between student and course detail.
Course details, we cannot use truncate directly on the course details table. We need to truncate the course detail. Actually, we need to drop the complete table, then only we can use it. 1 second, I'll show you.
Okay.
Ma'am, the logic is always we use truncate on the table which has foreign key, right? First, then the other
Yeah,
one.
correct.
Okay.
Because we have foreign key on students table, right? We created a foreign key for students table, right? So first we need to remove this table, then only we can able to remove this table. Got it?
Yes, madam. Got it. Thanks. Even this feature is applicable for while dropping the drop table also, madam? We need to delete the foreign key.
No, actually, we can drop. Actually, the thing is that we need to use drop only. First, we need to drop the students table. Then
Okay.
only we can use truncate on course details table. Because if we simply use on truncate, what it will happen? It will just removing the data, but the structure will be remain same, right? That
Okay.
means the column names, primary keys, and foreign keys will remain same.
Okay.
First,
Okay.
what we need to do, if you want to use truncate on the tables which we created a relationship, foreign key relationship, we need to drop a complete table. First, we need to drop the students table. As we used students foreign key in students table, what we need to do, we need to drop the table, not truncate. First, we need to drop the complete table. After
Okay.
that, we need to truncate the course details table. Then only we won't get any issues.
Okay.
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 Is it clear, guys, for everyone what is truncate?
Sorry.
Yes.
While you like displaying the select from student table, how
Sweta,
they out
your audio is not that clear. I'm unable to understand.
is it audible now?
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, while displaying the output for the students and course details,
Right.
just show me once how you check the output because simultaneously you did with using semicolon. Okay.
Oh, this one at a time.
Yeah. How the output was displayed. First students table was displayed
Okay.
and
Yeah.
open. Yeah.
Right. Here, basically, whenever we want to display some list of tables all together, so that we can
Okay.
compare, right? Especially we'll do that whenever we are using joins concept, because we will join two tables, right? Whenever we are joining two tables, I will explain at that time detailedly, but the concept there was there should be a common column between the two tables. Okay. According to that common column, we will join basically. So to understand what is a common column between two tables, we need to, if we display all that tables together, we can easily compare, right? Instead of seeing the output of one table and then the seeing the output of another table. Here at that time, what we will do whenever we want to see the output together, for the after the first SQL statement, we need to use the semicolon here. Whenever SQL, whatever, see, if we talk about SQL Server there, for each and every statement, we need to use the semicolon for sure. Without using semicolon, if we execute any statement, whether it may be create command, insert command, it will throw us an error. Okay. In MySQL only, semicolon is optional actually. Okay.
Okay.
If we don't use semicolon also, it will work. If we use semicolon also, it will work.
Okay.
Okay. But if we want to execute two tables at a time, what we need to do after the first SQL statement, we need to mention the semicolon. Whenever SQL sees the semicolon, it will understand, okay, this is the end of this statement and this will be our next statement. They are asking me to execute the two statements together. See, I will just remove this semicolon, and if I execute this, it will throw me error. See, it is saying me error. Manual error. That means it is saying me you wrote something wrong. Syntax, we will call it as syntax errors. Okay. Whenever we can see you have error in SQL syntax, in the sense we wrote something wrong in the syntax. Okay. So here I need to write semicolon so that SQL will understand this is one SQL statement and this is one SQL statement. Now let me just execute both of them. Okay. Here, just now I used a drop command, right? Drop command for the students. So it is saying there is no students table. Let me use any another table here. We have employees 1, employees 2. First, I'm just executing this one line, employees 2. I have this data, right? I'm just executing only course details table. I don't have data because I use the truncate, but I have the structure, right? So if we want to see these two tables together, we will use the semicolon after this first line, okay? Now I'm just executing this both the statements. Here, if you observe, we will get the output like this. This is my employees table output.
Okay.
Okay, if I open this course details, I can see this output. We need to open here. We can toggle here.
Okay. After we truncate also, whatever we declared as a primary key and as a foreign key, that will remain as it is.
Whenever we use truncate, you are asking?
Yeah. After we mean like using this truncate command, okay. Once we did on post details, previously if you have declared any column table as foreign key, it will remain
Yeah,
the same.
primary key. Actually, primary key, it will remain the same. Here in course details, we used only primary key, right?
Yes.
We used only in course details table, we used only primary key. In student detail table, we used foreign key, right? What we need to do here, whenever we use truncate this on this table, the data will be removed. The primary key will be remain as it is. But when comes to students table, we cannot use truncate on this table. We need to drop the table completely. That's what I did here. Here first I drop the students table because truncate what it will do, it will just remove the data inside it, but the structure will be remain as it is, right? That's the reason we cannot, the foreign key will also remain as it is. So we cannot delete the relationship between the two tables. To remove the complete relationship between the two tables, first of all, we will use the drop for the students table. Okay. Just remember one thing very blindly. Whenever we want to use truncate on the tables, which we created relationship by using foreign key table. For on that table, wherever we declared a foreign key, that means on students table, we declared a foreign key, right? That table, we need to drop it first, not truncate. Completely, we need to delete this table. We need to remove the table from the database. Then we can use drop on the, we can use truncate on the course details table. Okay.
దివ్య నేనేం అడుగుతున్నానంటే నేను తెలుగులో అడుగుతాను.
Yeah, no problem.
వన్స్ మన ట్రంకెట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఓకేనా ఆ కాలం టేబుల్ నేమ్ అయితే అలాగే ఉంటది కదా. సో అప్పుడు మనం ఏమైతే ప్రీవియస్ గా వచ్చి ప్రైమరీ కీ అని డిక్లేర్ చేస్తామో అది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అది ప్రైమరీ కీ ఫంక్షన్ గానే ఉంటుందా అని అడుగుతున్నాను.
అదే చెప్తున్నాను, ప్రైమరీ కి ఉంటుంది కానీ ఫారెన్ కి ఉండదు. ఎందుకంటే మనం ఫారెన్ కి మొత్తం డ్రాప్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఫారెన్ కి డిలీట్ అవుతుంది, బట్ ప్రైమరీ కి మాత్రం ఉంటుంది కంపల్సరీ. కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా ఉంటాయి. మనం కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ కి ఏవైతే డేటా టైప్స్ డిక్లేర్ చేస్తామో దట్ డేటా టైప్స్ ఆల్సో రిమైన్ సేమ్ అండ్ ప్రైమరీ కి రిలేషన్ ఆల్సో రిమైన్ సేమ్. Where it comes to foreign key, we need to drop this, right? So there won't be students table, there won't be foreign key. Again, we need to create students table and we need to create foreign key. Then we need to insert the data, complete data in here as we did it previously. Course details lo matram manaku only data remove avutundi. We can use truncate kabatti direct ga without creating course details table, we can insert the data in this table. Okay.
And one more doubt, Divya. అడ్మిన్ కి డెవలపర్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏముంటది దివ్య సీక్వెల్ లో? అది కొంచెం తర్వాత చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు కాబోతే కూడా.
నేను లాస్ట్ లో డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. వన్స్ వి డన్ విత్ all our concepts, we will discuss. Interview questions time lo manam discuss cheddam.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
One more question. Yeah. Here, instead of drop on students table, can't we use truncate? It doesn't work.
It won't work. It won't work because what the truncate will do basically, it will just remove the data. The structure will be same, right? If we use truncate on the students detail table, it will just remove this one. But the tables and the primary key and foreign key will remain same, right? It won't allow us to do so. First of all, whenever we are using truncate on the students table, it won't allow because the foreign key relation is there, right? That's the reason we need to use definitely drop only. Then only we can able to use truncate on this step.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other doubts, guys? Or do you want me to go to next concept?
Yes, sir.
Great. First, before 1 second. First, let's see rename also. After that, let's see how to install MySQL. Or else first, okay, rename is very simple actually. First, let's finish rename so that we will be done with all the DDL commands.
Rename we have seen, I think, last class.
Did we finish rename? I don't think so.
No, we didn't finish.
Oh, no.
Yeah, not.
Column.
We didn't finish. Basically, what we'll do, we will use rename to change the table name, right? Rename old table name to new table.
Yes, in alter we use to change the name of column.
Yeah. In alter we use rename, right?
Yes.
Correct. Basically, rename here also we need to use alter only, right? In alter we saw, correct. Here the concept is whenever it comes to MySQL, in alter only we will use this rename. Okay, if we are working with SQL Server, we cannot use rename inside the alter. There we need to use some another syntax for that. First, I won't say it now. It will be confusing for you, because we need to we will have one concept called as procedures. We need to use procedures to rename the table name in SQL Server. Okay, but as we are discussing MySQL, now let's ignore this. We will use a rename inside the alter only. Okay, this one, right? We want to rename the basically we saw we have a rename command inside the DDL, right? In this previous image. Basically, if it is SQL Server, this picture is correct, because by using alter we cannot use rename in SQL Server, but MySQL rename will be used inside the alter only. Okay, whenever we want to rename the table name, we will use alter only. Clear? So this is about DDL commands. Now let's see how to download and install the SQL Server. So,
Ma'am, can we rename the table name?
of course.
So that time like the same, right? I mean, rename table name.
Yeah. We renamed column here, right? Column name here.
Yeah, here we are using alter with rename. So I'm asking about only rename.
Only table name.
Yeah, how to use rename?
We are asking how can we rename complete table name, right?
Yeah. Right, old table name to new table name. And here, I mean, the above example, we used rename with alter. Without alter, I want to use it. So how could I use it?
Directly we can use rename to rename the complete table name. If it is the column name, we will use alter, right? That's what you asked me, right?
Yes, I understood, ma'am.
Yeah. Guys, 1 second. All right, sorry for that. So if we want to rename the column name, we will use a rename inside the alter. If we want to rename the complete table name, which we won't do mostly, we won't change the column names, table names in real time. But if we want to do directly, we can use rename. But this command is, it won't work in SQL Server. We need to change that command will be like, it is huge. We need to use some procedures inside it to if we want to rename the complete table name in SQL Server. Okay. If you're working with MySQL, that is fine. The syntax will work.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one doubt. So we can only use alter in order to change the name of columns or do anything with the columns. But for the changing the name of the table and anything like dropping of the table, we need to do it separately, not in alter.
No, not in alter. Just if we want to make any changes inside the table for the columns, we will use alter.
Okay.
That's what we see. We saw, right? We saw 4 use cases for alter. right? If we want to add a new column, if we want to remove the new column, and if we want to change the data type of the column, right? And next, if we want to rename the column name, all that four things we will do by using alter. So detail commands, is it clear for you guys, everyone? Perfect. Whoever logged in with the system, who is that once?
Yes, ma'am.
Somnath, did you log in with your system?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. All right, now you can see in your Zoom, you can see a new share kind of thing. Please share your screen. First, I will just
Okay.
share your screen once.
Mm,
You can see green color share screen button in your Zoom.
yes. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, yes. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
it's saying quit and reopen. Basically, it's asking for some changes or something like update or something.
Oh, did anyone else logged in with the system? Anyone?
Not today, madam.
Actually, it's my fault. I forgot to inform you on Friday's class.
Okay.
Who is that? Rahul Krishna.
Ma'am, now is it sharing?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, all right, guys, let's see the installation process now in this laptop. Okay, so this is basically Apple, right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
yeah, he's
That's
using
Mac. Mac.
app,
Yeah. No
Mac.
problem. The concept will be same.
Oh,
So by seeing this video, you can install on your own. Okay. Okay. Basically, MySQL installation is very simple. Who is this? Please type in as MySQL download for this is not Windows. Okay. Type in as MySQL download. MySQL download. No, first one, but type in as MySQL downloads for Mac. Guys, you need to type in as MySQL downloads for Windows in your systems, okay? 1 minute. Open the second one, MySQL downloads. That one. Not this one, actually. 1 second. Go back. Type in as MySQL installer first. After MySQL, just type in as installer. Installer for Mac. 1 second. Yeah, click that. One second. Go to
Downloads.
downloads. Yeah. Scroll it down. MySQL community downloads. MySQL community downloads. Yes. There, 1 second. We need to have MySQL installer for Windows is there, but MySQL. Basically, we need to download MySQL installer here, but here it is showing me installer for Windows, right?
Yes.
Mm. Click on the MySQL workbench. Let's see what it will be. No, it's workbench. From last, the second one. Yeah, this one. Basically, this Mac one. Okay. Click on the first one. Download. Yeah. Wait here. Basically, for the other students, whoever using the Windows one, what you need to do, you need to type in as MySQL downloads for Windows. Okay. MySQL download for Windows. Then you can able to see the first link. Wait. Please wait. Okay, so you can able to see the first link itself, MySQL download, MySQL installer kind of thing. The website will be dev.mysql.com. Okay, you need to click that. After clicking that, it will directly redirect to this page for you. Okay, in this page for the first one, it will be like 8.0, like this version. The first download, you need to click on that. Okay, from here the process will be same. Okay, click on this the download button. Now click on no thanks, just start my download at the bottom, right? It is downloading. Just open after once it got downloaded. Yes, open.
Video for Windows.
Sweta,
In Windows already.
your audio is not clear.
In Windows OS, okay.
Yes, okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, in Windows OS.
My SQL installer, once I typed in Google,
Okay.
there are like two options available for download.
Okay.
32-bit MSI installer, 2.1 million something it's mentioned. Another one is the same. Which one I need to select?
Below one here,
Is it
this one.
the link is like dev.mysql.com only?
Yes.
Okay, in that the first one, if it is MySQL 8.0 version only, is it showing for you?
Yes, 8.039.
Yes, that version for the first one, whatever the MB, that will be fine. But the first one, you can click on it.
Oh, thank you.
Sweta, if you have laptop, can you share your screen instead of
Now?
just MacBook?
Just a minute, I'll just reconnect. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, that would be great.
After
And
this,
whoever sharing now, please don't mind. Who is this Somnath, right? Because as this is Mac, many students will use Windows, right? That will get a lot of confusion. For now, just unshare your screen and
okay.
please, after Sweta got connected, let's see her screen. The process will be same for you as well, okay? In Zoom, you can just see stop share kind of thing.
But thing is that now it's showing that this sign up like this.
You just minimize that browser, minimize your browser once. Or else I'm just removing it directly, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's-
I got it, Somnath. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Actually, usually what I'll do in the previous class itself, I will I will inform to log in by using the laptops. Yesterday on Friday, I forgot actually. Yes, Sweta, we got your screen. Open your browser, Sweta. MySQL for Windows, yeah.
First
The
one?
first one, yes.
In this first one, right?
Yeah, 2.1, yeah, first one.
Yeah, okay.
Here, click on no thanks, just start my download. Yeah. This process will be same for everyone, guys. Okay, save it.
Okay. In downloads itself,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay.
Yes. Anywhere is fine. If you use C drive also fine, downloads also fine, no problem. Click on that. It will ask you some permissions, right? Click on S.
Yes, okay.
Here, click on custom, fourth one, custom.
Okay.
Click on next. 1 second. Here, please maximize your window, no? Is it a, can you able to do? No problem. Okay. So what we need to do here, in the towards the left side box, we have MySQL servers, right? There is a
Yes.
plus icon. We need to expand that. Click on that plus icon.
Okay.
Yes. Then we can able to see MySQL server. Once again, expand that. Second one. Yes.
Okay.
Now this is the 8.0 version. Once again, expand. Click on plus icon.
Nice.
Now select the first one.
This one.
This one, yes. And click on the right arrow mark. You can see in between arrow mark, right? Which is in green
This
color.
one,
Yes.
right?
Click on it. Correct. Click on it.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we got MySQL server into the box which we need to install. Okay. Now once minimize that one, left side box, minimize MySQL server. No. Left side box.
This one.
No. Previously you expanded by clicking on plus, right? Now click on minus inside this box.
This one.
Left side. Yeah, click on that minus.
Okay.
Perfect. Like that, in the same way, click on the applications, expand applications.
Okay.
Right. Now expand first one, MySQL Workbench.
Okay.
Once again, expand 8.0 version.
Okay.
Now select the first one.
Okay.
And click on green arrow mark.
Okay.
The thing is that we are going to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. That's the reason we are selecting these two products. And those are of 8.0 point like that version, it will be there. Okay, now click on next. Next. Yeah, click on execute. We are downloading this too. We need to install this too. Okay.
It's error.
Click on show details. Temporary file remover. Okay, go to back, click on back.
Okay. Again back.
Here basically, once try to click on that MySQL server in the right side box, click on that. Now click on the arrow mark, second arrow mark, back option. Yeah. Okay, guys, this one, as she is getting error, we are following these steps. I think if you don't get any error, don't follow this. Okay. And now click on MySQL Workbench and click on back symbol once again. Now expand MySQL servers. Yes, expand once again MySQL server. Expand once again. Select the first one. Click on, let's try it once again. Yeah, click on that. Click on next. Next. Execute. Done. Click on next. Okay. Click on back once. We only got server here. Back. Let's add, click on expand applications once. Workbench. Once again. Select the first one. Click on arrow. Next. Execute. Guys, as we got error, we followed the process once again. If you didn't get any errors, no need of following this once again. Okay. From here, you can continue.
Madam, what does this MySQL workbench do, madam?
Basically, in Workbench only, whatever I'm writing, all the SQL queries, we will do in Workbench only. In server, it will be at the back end to hold our database. Okay. I shared my screen and I'm showing you all the syntaxes, right? That is basically a Workbench only, MySQL Workbench.
Oh, thank
It may take some time.
Okay.
Okay,
Next.
click on next. Next.
Next.
Next. Next. Here, give any password and please remember that password, everyone, or else write it down somewhere. We need to use later. Okay, give any password, Sweta.
Next.
Yes. Guys, if you forget this password, I cannot do anything. Okay, please remember. Click on next. Next. Execute.
Madam, this password is same for everyone?
No, you can keep any of your passwords, but you need to remember that. We will individually basically set our passwords just to open our Workbench. Whenever we are opening, it will ask us to enter the password. But there is also one more option. For the first time only, we will use the password. And I will say you what to do now, so that from the second time, without password also, we can open. Okay. And I guess Somnath, right? Previously, you shared the screen.
Yes.
Yeah. In Mac also, the entire process will be same. Okay.
Yes.
Can I finish?
Yes. Click on finish, Sweta. You need to follow the same steps only. The concept will be same. Click on next. Finish. Yes. Done. That's it. This is the process. Now your Workbench will be open, Sweta. Please wait.
Mac.
One second. Click on local instance. Here we need to enter the password. Give the password which you have provided and click on save password in vault. Check that box so that from the second time, if you check that box from the second time, if we don't give password also, it will open. Click on OK. That's it. Here, as I said, it is in administration page. You need to click on schemas. Towards the bottom left, you will see schemas. Down, down, down. Some more down. Yeah,
Yes.
schemas. Here, this is the one. This is the by default database. From here, you can start writing the queries. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone, all of we, once we downloaded, it will be in the administration. As you saw previously, we need to click on schemas. Okay. This is the process of the installation. Everyone, please follow this. You can share. Stop sharing.
Okay.
Okay. I only clicked it.
Hmm.
All right, guys, did you got the access of videos?
Not
Yes.
yet.
For today link, we have got the link for the today's.
Link is fine. Did you got all the videos from the demo one? Previous videos?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, Divya.
If anyone didn't get, please ask to the admin ones. They will provide you some links. Okay. And by tomorrow, I will upload all the notes also. And as I said, I will upload this SQL files only. Okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
this files.
I want to ask something. In the MySQL communities server, so there are 9.01 innovation, like 8.4 to 8.039. So I need to select 8.039.
See, as we saw previously, after whenever we are expanding, what will be the first one? Just select that one only.
Okay, it's a 9.01 innovation. It's written
Where?
in this page. Can I share the screen for 1 minute?
Okay, please share.
Is it visible now?
Yes. Okay,
So
you
it's
are getting 9.0 innovation. Better go with 8.8 only, no? 8.039. That will be better.
so after this,
Yeah,
I need.
click on that one only. Because we don't know in 9.0 did they make any changes like that. Of course, the concepts will be same, but still.
Okay, fine.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
And guys, as I said, I will share this SQL file for you. Okay. Because I believe this will be enough for you because I wrote notes inside the codes, right? So is this enough? Basically, in every batch, I'll do the same because I will write. See, if you want a separate notes also, what I will do, I will just write this everything in some Word file. Instead of that, whenever you are, revising or something, you need to open a Word file separately and you need to see this one for syntaxes, right? Instead of that, I believe everything will be in one place. It will be easier for us to go through the concepts, right? Here only everything is there. I think this will be enough for you, right?
Enough, madam, enough.
Yes. I will share these files. So how to access these files in the sense, let me just save this first. I will show you. Wait.
Madam, admin has provided the video link all together, madam. Do you have any separate link which you conducted that MySQL videos, only MySQL videos?
All together in the sense?
Even all the whatever the videos has been posted in the Durga software, no?
Oh, all
To-
subject videos, can you able to say?
Yes, madam.
Oh, I'll talk with them.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, madam.
And yeah, 1 second. It's already 8. Okay. All right, guys. I will talk with them. I will ask them to provide you links separately. Along with that, I have my own YouTube channel called as Data Analytics with Divya. Okay. If you feel it as useful, you can follow that as well. I will upload all the concepts of data analyst. Like for now, I'm uploading all the SQL videos. Whatever I'm teaching here, almost the videos will be same. You can follow them as well. And I have for whenever you are installing this SQL server also, if you want, you can refer that video also, or else you can refer this video also. I'm just telling you, if you feel it as helpful, you can follow that also. I'm not telling that to don't access this Durgasoft videos. I'll ask them to provide you a separate link. The almost the videos also, whatever I will in that videos also I will use this movies database only. So watch this videos, and as you will have only access up to 6 months only, right? Going forward also, if you want, you can use that videos also. Okay, and I will tell the admin to provide you the link separately. Okay, thanks. One thing, and the second thing is I will by tomorrow I will send you the files. If you once you download, you can able to see the file like this. Okay. So what we need to do, you need to just double click on that file. Okay, and you need to open your workbench. Once you install the workbench, we need to open the workbench. It will we will be able to see like this unconnected. Okay, this is the one previously I used, right? And as I opened a new file, it went into the new tab. Okay, here what we need to do, you can you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here we have one option. This is called as refreshing the databases, reconnecting the databases. We need to click on this. Once we click on this, it will we can able to see this one. We need to click on OK. Okay. Then you can able to access these files. You can just close this window. You can able to access this one.
We just need to double click on that file, right? Or
yeah, we need to just open that file. Double click on this file. Then after double clicking, just open your SQL workbench. It will open as I shown you. It will open in a separate tab. This is my previous tab.
automatically it will be opened in a separate tab, right? Unconnected.
Automatically you can able to see in separate tab, and the tab name will be unconnected. At that time, you need to click on this reconnect to DBMS kind of thing.
Okay.
Let me open one more file. I'm just opening randomly one file. Okay, then I'm opening my workbench. Here I can able to see another unconnected, right? Here all these things will be disabled for me. Only I can able to see this reconnect to DBMS. I will click on it. One window will be open. I will click on OK. Now I will click this administration page. This is my page. Okay.
Yes,
you can access all the files like this only. You can save all that files. Basically, I will save the files with the concept name only. So just you can use that one. You can please maintain all the files in a separate folder. It will be helpful for you. Okay. All right, guys. Tomorrow just download the software. If you get any doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. Okay. Let's meet in tomorrow's class.
Thank you, Divya.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye.